This conference will now be recorded.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. طيب, we will continue using shapes from clip art and image or images. Okay, this is again in the old versions. Right now, just we have shape. Just we have shapes. Okay. Anyhow, it doesn't make difference. From the clip art graphics available online from Microsoft Office online website, we can create that, or can be insert clip art. If you want to insert clip art, where do you want, in which part of your presentation, and then follow these steps after that. So an example over here within our practical, I want to insert some shapes. So from insert, then I will come to the illustrations. This is 2016. واختار shapes. Which one out from there؟ اختار الشكل الأنسب بالنسبة لي. Okay, depends on your needs. يعتمد على الحوجة مالك. So just click over there and then drag it where do you want. ده اللي راح يستوي معنا. Then a lot of things can be completed with this shape. أول من عنديها the style. Which style do you like? Simply you can select it. And then again, if you don't like this color, you can fill it with suitable color for you. For example, controlling the outline, الإطار الخارجي, with respect to the color and with respect to the weight اللي هو السمك واللون. حال الاوتلاين اللي هو بنسميه الاطار الخارجي لهذا الشكل، بلس rotating التدوير لهذا الشكل بأي وضعية تريدون. Yes, this is we call it free rotation. Free rotation, التدوير بالحرية المطلقة. Freedom, complete freedom. Then if you want to add something inside this shape، لو أريد أضيف نص على هذا الشكل، بضغط بالزر الأيمن ثم آتي إلى edit text. Then write what you want. Write what you want. For example, I want to write UOB. خلاص, that is short for University of Bremen. Okay, since it is a text, then I can format it a way I want. بالإمكان تنسيق أي نص مكتوب بالكيفية اللي نحن نريد. زيادة في الحجم مثلا. This is what happened. Okay, that is regard these shapes. Okay, as I said, this is within old versions. So insert illustrations, directly we'll get shapes. Instead of clip art, we will have illustrations, إصدارات, then we have shapes. We don't have clip art within this version, but if you have it in your device, then you can go through that by the same steps. Plus, this is regard shapes, as simple as can. Yes, previously it called clip art. Okay, I want to insert a new slide here. Then these are the common slide contents. This is a table, this is a chart, this is a smart art, picture, online picture and video. Before Within this common contents, we have what? We have clip art, but right now we don't have it. We don't have it. So I'm going to title this slide common slide content. 6 of them. First, table, and automatically it will be disappear. Yeah. So then charts. Let us write chart. Smart chart. Smart art. الأشكال الذكية بنسميها. Then this is picture and this is online pictures. So both are pictures. Pictures online and from your computer. Pictures online. Pictures as well. And last, video. Video materials. So such a way, these are the most common contents within, again, this version only. I'm talking about these versions. Okay. So previous versions, that is a different task. Next, insert a picture. Almost same like I'm recording. Same like shape. Okay. So by the same way, we can insert a picture inside our presentation for some type of enhancement. We have different sources for these pictures. عندنا كم من المصادر لهذه الpicture. Okay. So from insert image group, then all these are a method, okay, or approaches to insert the pictures inside what? Inside your presentation. But by the time being, I'm going to insert it from the online source because I don't have other choice. So can include picture saved on disk or in different format. يعني بالإمكان إدراج صورة include إدراج صورة بداخل العرض التقديمي إذا كانت مخزنة على واحدة من وسائط التخزين اللي معنا أو على أو أجيبها من مصدر آخر من المصادر. الخطوات for inserting pictures, all versions, insert illustrations, and then picture. Okay, over here we have insert, that's ribbon, then images as a group, then the source where it is plus. So I'm going to insert it, as I said, from an online source. Within over here, I'm going to insert a picture. So insert, then an online picture. I will be connected to the internet when I'm selecting this. So there is a relation between this PowerPoint and the website. Yes, I need it from a website. Then I need a University of Brain. Then I will press on enter. The search process will start. Here it is. Many options. You can select between them. Okay, I'm going to select this one. Insert. Depends on the internet speed. It have been inserted somewhere here. Yes, that's it. So I'm inserting a picture from online. usually the picture should be related to the topic. يعني بالضرورة الصورة تكون مرتبطة بالمشروع، يعني ما أي صورة وبس خلص، لا of course not. خلاص. Then I have style or picture style. In which style do you need your pictures? You can select this. Let us select this one, perspective, shadow. This is the style. Then for the picture we have two important things. That is, let me select this, border color and border weight، اللي هو السمك حال الإطار لهذه الصورة بجانب إيش؟ بجانب اللون في ذات الوقت. Plus I can rotate this picture by the way I want, such way like this. So this is my picture have been inserted so easily. Yes, it is. Again, the picture, it is one of the common slide content, as I said. Yeah, instead of going by these steps, insert, then coming to the images and select from online. From here directly, I can click and I get the same things. Plus, if I wanted to insert it within this empty slide، يعني هذا الخيار ما متوفر إلا إذا كانت هذه السلايد empty، ما فيها ولا أي شيء. Because at the moment I'm adding anything, so this content will gone. Okay, so if it is a new slide and it is an empty slide, then this is as a form of suggestions، كأنها اقتراحات. Which type of content do you want to add it within your slide? One of these 6, as I said, and we list it over here. Okay, so that is done. Manipulating pictures, that is what we mean. Resizing your picture, moving the pictures to another location. We have a separated ribbon for formatting your pictures, such way like this. I can add whatever format you like. Pictures must be selected first، لأنه اللحظة اللي أنتقل من عن هذه البيكتشرز so that format will gone. So you have to be in the pictures, selecting the pictures, then you will get the format ribbon. And what do you want to do؟ اختار الشيء اللي أنت تريد. Controlling the sizing of your pictures, increasing, decreasing, drag the handles. So these we call them handles to control the size of your pictures, increasing and decreasing. Moving pictures when you get this pointer shape. لما احصل على هذا الشكل مال البلس sign of my pointer, then this indicates you can be able to move your pictures, unless you get this one, so you cannot move it. So you need to get this one. Okay, so the pointer will take different shapes. الآن للتحكم في الحجم لهذه الصورة when I came to the end of these handlers اللي هي القوابض مال الصورة. If I came on this one, so it will become the same shape، يتماثل الشكل مع الشكل الأصلا موجود ولكن في صورة أو بلون أسود، دلالة على إنه you can rotate your picture. Yes, it is. That's the rotation. Done. Manipulating a picture. Creating drawing objects like shapes. شبيه لمن؟ شبيه للshapes. And we have completed over here, like this one. This is a shape. Okay, so as I told you, we don't have clip art over here. We have instead we have shapes. لكن ما يخالف, we can have it again and we can see what we have inside it. One of these shapes or drawing, we have to come to the insert, and then we have to come to the illustrations and selecting shapes. That's it. manipulated, which type of change do you want to do؟ التعديلات والتغييرات اللي اريد اعملها من خلال الشكل اللي انا اضفته. خلاص. our shapes. تتعرف على الشكل التلقائي when you keep the pointer for a while there. يعني مثلا اذا اريد اعرف اسم هذا الشكل، خلاص احط المؤشر واتوقف. الاسم اللي ياتي هذا او هذه المعلومه اللي تاتي في شيء اسمه سكرين تيب، شاشه تلميح، فيها اسم هذا الشكل. خلاص. so screen tip includes the name of the shape. screen tip شاشة تلميح وتوضيح، تديلي شيء مختصر عن هذا الشكل. وجربنا how to draw a shape لما اختار الشكل اللي انا اريد. so which one? just keep the pointer for some while, as I told you. smile face. you will get this and again plus sign in different shape, very thin بصورة رفيعة جدا. and just when you click inside your slide in an empty area, then this plus sign become biggest in size. move over and draw your shape by the way you want. Plus, then complete the task as I told you last time. You can add many things within this shape. Formatting object. In short, the content of your slide, generally two of them, text rather than that object. يعني المحتويات هذه الشاشة واحد من ثنتين، إما نص، والنص معروف واللي هو النص الكتابي، سواء كان حروف أو أرقام ما يخالف. بخلاف ذلك بنسميه object اللي هو كائن، يعني التيبل كائن، الأوبجكت سوري البيكتشر كائن، الشيب كائن، الفيديو كائن. rest are objects. كل اللي يأتي من وراء النص عبارة عن an object. so for any object we have formatting tools. Okay, like this one, like this ribbon. So when I move to the format, it's almost same, right? So we have all the things can be added to us. For example, if I move to this shape right now, so we have similar things. Yes, we have the similar toolbar. Insert auto shape. I'm going to insert this shape, for example. So the same over here and here. Okay, same toolbar. If you need more options, all these are launchers. When you click here, then you will get more options. And this is 2016. It will not come like this screen. It will come beside this pan من خلال هذه المساحة. So you can select what do you want exactly and move between the options over there, and you can add it to your object, whatever that object it is. خلاص. arranging your objects. arranging بمعنى ترتيب، إعادة ترتيب الكائنات اللي موجودة بداخل السلايد المالي. وarranging اللي هي تموضع، يعني إعادة المواقع بتاعتها، يعني أحط هذا لأعلى وهذا لأسفل وكذا. so this is we call it arrangement of the objects. Okay. to arrange your objects in the slides. So from home, then the drawing, and then click on arrange. Okay, so this is the home and drawing somewhere here, and this is the arrange to make arrangement of your objects. By which way do you want it? Bring it to the front, send it to back, bring it forward, send it backward. كم من الخيارات يعني وضع ترتيب ايش؟ وضع ترتيب الاوبجكت اللي انا اريد ترتيب الاوبجكتس. Okay, so if I have some shape here, for example, or many shapes, then you can control them from arranging objects. So now these commands became active. الحين صارت هذه الأوامر نشطة, and then you can control your task, alignment, rotation, bring it forward, bring it front, send it to backwards. كل هذه الأشياء ممكن تتم. Just let us try send to back, and if I move it, I want to move this shape. So now I want to send it back. So it became backside to the text. يعني انتقل هذا الشكل من الخلف وجاءت الكتابة أو جاء النص من على مقدمة هذه الصورة. خلاص. So this is how to control your shapes from this arrangement button. You can control the things. Smart art is almost same like shapes. Okay, can insert it from the illustrations as well. Yes. As example of using this type of smart art, for example, for the hierarchy within an organization chart, اللي هي تمثل ايش؟ تمثل الهرم الوظيفي في المؤسسات. بنستخدم لها الهيراركي سمارت ارت. يعني هو تصميم معد وجاهز كمثال from insert, then illustrations, then we have smart art. Okay, if you want to include, for example, this is all we have hierarchy, for example, this is what we mean by hierarchy. الهيكل الهرمي. خلاص, for example, if I'm going to insert this one or this one, then usually on the top of any organization will be the GM, general manager. So under the general manager, usually maybe HR people, financial people somewhere, financial department, and then the rest of the staffs. Who belongs to the HR directly? Who belongs to the financial department directly? So you write it like this. So over here we have academic staff, and then we have admin staff, for example, AD staff, and here this is academic AC staff. For the financial, maybe technical people can belong to the technical staff, belongs to the financial directly. So this is an example of smart art. Simply then this is what will happen. You can arrange it, you can select the layout. If you don't like this, you can change your mind. If you want to keep it in such way of coloring, also you can do so. Let me keep it within our practice. It's over here. So this is an organization chart. اللي هو الهرم الوظيفي بالنسبة لمؤسسة من المؤسسات. An example of an organization chart by this way. خلاص يبين ايش؟ يبين الهيكل الوظيفي بالنسبة لمؤسسة من المؤسسات. من الأفضل استخدم ايش؟ استخدم السمارت art because it will help us a lot instead of doing these things by ourselves. It is ready made, so why we have to do it? Then this is what I will keep this one for the last for the next class, inshallah. And this is could be related and very easiest. Now we need to insert headers and footers to our presentation. Headers and footers نوع من انواع تنسيق التنظيم بالنسبه للبرزنتيشن مالنا. هيدرز بنسميه راس الصفحه. طبعا ده طبعا في العرض للنوتس مثلا. اما الفوترز بالامكان اثناء العرض التقديمي I can add footers to my presentation اللي راح يبين في هذا المكان. الحين if I'm running this show بيبين عندي من اسفل الصفحه مالي I have footer over here, we have date, we have some titles, and we have slide numbers. Okay, then we need to apply this header and footers in our presentations. Slides only display footers. Yes, this is very important. Slides displays only footers. بمعنى أثناء العرض التقديمي ما عندنا سوى حتى الحين في هذا العرض عندي فقط الفوترز. يعني لو أضفت headers ما راح يبين عندي. While notes and handouts displays both headers and footers. يعني العرض بالنسبة للpresentation very important. Slides display footers only. Footers will be displayed or slides display footers only. بينما notes and handouts views هذول العرضين بيبينوا ايش؟ بيبينوا both of them. headers as well as footers. الاثنين رايحين يتبينوا معنا. من فين؟ من العرضين notes and handouts. لذلك هذه النقطة مهمة جدا. اوكي. العرض الفيه اللي احنا الحين هو عرض مع السلايدز، فبالتالي ما راح يبين عندنا اي header لو اضفناه. Now, if you need to insert header or footer, the steps and the mechanism to complete so insert, and then you have to come to the text group and then header and footer. بمعنى انتقل عند الريبون insert وآتي عند الجروب text وهم في زر واحد header and footer لأنهم مرتبطين مع بعض. لما أضغط عليهم so I will have this dialog box مثل اللي مبين عندنا في presentation. طيب what do you want to do? Do you want to add the date and time? So you have to select these options. If you want to add a slide number, then you have to select these options. If you want to add any text within your footer, you have to click on the footer options. Then you can add the text we want over here. And this is another options if you want to display all these things, that is date, slide number and the text within the footer within the whole presentation except what? Except the face slide, and that is we call it title slide. So you have to select these options. So let us practice these things within our presentation. Practical from insert. I'm coming to the text group. I'm going to select header and footer. I will get this dialog box. And if you remember, we said slides will display footer only, while notes and handouts, you have options of header and footer as well. Yes, you have, right? So let us just deal with the footer. I'm going to display the date, and you need it to be updated automatically or fixed one. It is up to you. Updated automatically بمعنى اذا بطلت هذا البرزنتيشن بتاريخ بكره راح احصله بتاريخ 23، واذا بطلته على يوم الاحد راح احصله بتاريخ الاحد اللي راح يكون انا اعتقد 27 26 something like that. Anyhow, fixed that means it will not be changed. راح يكون بتاريخ اليوم فقط، ما راح يتبدل ولا راح يتحدث. واضح لكم؟ So let us keep it updated automatically. Point number one. Point number two, I want to insert slide number within my presentation. طالما معنا في هذا الجانب in this preview هذا النموذج، اللحظة اللي أحط على الخيار slide number معنى ذلك راح ينضاف في هذا الجانب. I want to write something but I can't within this text box. So unless I'm selecting footer, then it will be will open to me. Then I'm going to write that is Fint 1 basic 001 IT level 1. Okay, I need all the things except within the face slide. أبين كل هذه الأشياء اللي أنا قريتها ما عدا خلال الشريحة الأولانية. So apply to all, things will be applied to all. تلاحظون انضاف على كل الشرائح الثانية والثالثة والأخيرة except the first slide اللي هي الشريحة الأولانية. ما تم إضافة الخيارات اللي أضفناها الحين، التاريخ و الفوتر تكست بجانب السلايد نمبر اللي تمت في هذه الجانب. خلاص، that's it. Okay, so this is regard header and footer to be added to your presentation. Then we will close the chapter by this very simple task. The paid setup. In the matter of fact, it is slide setup. إعداد الصفحة مالنا، وهي في حقيقة الأمر شريحة وليست صفحة، لكن let us have it paid setup. إعداد الصفحة. We can change the setup of a presentation at any time. في أي لحظة من اللحظات بالإمكان تغيير الإعداد بالنسبة للعرض التقديمي مالنا. As examples, we need to change the page setup. So to change a page setup, on design tab, design setup group, then page setup. plus بتأتي لي هذه الصفحة سميناها dialog box. So this is the our design. Then we have to move to page setup. Okay, that most probably within the view. Again, this is 2007. Okay. Then the view. Layout. Okay, so let us have it with another way. Okay, we will close the chapter here, then we will continue from slide master next class, and we'll try to finish the task. The video for the assignment, I will send it within this weekend. بإذن الله سبحانه وتعالى. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.